Hi, in this video we're going to talk about perimeter. And perimeter is a really important application that we use a lot in real life. Perimeter is the distance around the outside edge of an object. So one way to remember perimeter is that it contains the word rim. So think about the rim, the outside edge. In order to find perimeter, we add up all of the sides of a figure. So for example, if we wanted to find out the perimeter of this hexagon, we would add up all the sides. And here we have the information that tells us that it is a 9 centimeter regular hexagon. That means that each side is 9 centimeters. So if we want to find the perimeter then, we're going to add up all of those sides. So we would do 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So the perimeter then is 54 centimeters. So that is the distance around the outside edge of this object. We're tracing around the object. So one way to remember this is that one of the practical applications for perimeter is putting a fence around a yard. If we put a fence around a yard, we need to find the perimeter because we need to know how many feet of fencing we need in order to go around the outside edge. Here's another example. We'll look at this rectangle. It's 8 feet by 6 feet. So if we want to find the perimeter, we need to add up all the sides. So if this length over here is 8 feet, then we know that this side over here is 8. And if this side over here is 6, we know that this side over here is also 6 feet. So we add up all of those sides, 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8, and we find out that the perimeter is 28 feet. That's the distance around the outside of that rectangle. For rectangles, the perimeter equals the length plus width plus length plus width. Or another way of thinking about it is that the perimeter equals 2 lengths plus 2 widths. Or we could think about it as the perimeter is 2 times the length plus the width. We can use any of those formulas to find the perimeter of a rectangle. But the main and most important thing to remember is that the best way to find the perimeter and easiest way to remember it is that we add up all the sides. It doesn't matter what the shape of the object is. Here we had a hexagon, we added up all the sides, and that's our way to find perimeter.